morning, and I hope everybody's doing well. I'm trying to smile today. Hope you're smiling as well. I do want to give you a little bit of a tidbit. I want to go over what we did yesterday, again, real quick, just for the YouTube audience and for any of those that might be asking. Also, I was given this morning. This is the Inspire program from NASA. We have sent scholars from our programs. I sent one of my engineering and design students in previous years to this program. Brady, I know you've communicated interest in aerospace in the past. This is an intern opportunity. That's a summertime devotion. It's very competitive. There is an application process. It's very, very soon. We would like to let you know, though, about it. In case you're interested, see Mr. Barber or I about the Inspire program through NASA. You will go to one of the sites, probably from this part of the country. You would go to Houston, Texas, spend the summer there, and work with Lockheed Martin, NASA, using the skills that you're developing here in the Engineering Design Academy of the AST Academy to use there. Your CAD skills, your sketching skills, your engineering skills. So understand that that's, and actually they pay you. I think the previous student a year or two ago made $3,000 that summer, doing some working shoulder to shoulder with engineers from around the world working for those top-notch companies. So just be aware of that. If you're interested in the Inspire program at NASA, let us know. Again, I wanted to talk about briefly the master project, again, just as quickly as I can, to talk about your third quarter, your fourth quarter, and your master project and how that impacts your grade. Okay? Let's say, for example, that you had an 80 average in the third quarter. It's in the books. You've done your quiz packets, you've done your videos, and that's where it's at. Your fourth quarter, let's say that you ended up with a 90. All right? Actually, let me change this just a little bit. Let's change this to an 88. So you can see where we're at. And in the fourth quarter, you had a 90. Well, what do you need for this master project?
Nothing.
For that, let's see what that would have. Let's see what impact that would have. Let's say that you hit Thursdays or yesterdays. You got the description to me on time. Okay. Let's say that this Thursday, Frankie, what's due?
Visual.
Video of what?
Visual.
Video of what? Of your speak, right? What you're going to be talking. And then next Thursday, what's due?
Visual.
The visual part, your visual aid, what you're going to be using. And let's say on the 7th, what's due? That I actually see you presenting at the COA. Let's say you do all those things, so you get 100 in the master project. Well, here's the mathematics for that grade, for this particular scholar. 88 is 40%. Right? You've been taught to change percentages to decimals. If you add that to your fourth quarter grade, which is again what percentage? So what decimal?
0.4.
Okay? If you add that with the master project, which you say at this point that you got 100, what percentage is that? 20%. What decimal is that? 0.2. 0.20. If you multiply it, now you're going to multiply together first, or are you going to add?
Multiply
First, you know, the order of operations. So if you multiply these things out, you will get what your grade would be after you add them together. Somebody do this for me. 32, 32, 35, I think maybe. 32, carry the 3, 32, 3, 35. Add those up. 56. What did that master project do for that scholar?
Brought his grade up. His semester grade up.
The scholar had like an 89, right? Average, 88 and 90. He didn't have an A. She didn't have an A. What did the master project do for them? See what I'm saying? Just on that positive strength that it can bring you up, if you happen to be teetering, if this had been a 91, what could the master project do to that scholar?
Put it down to a
Bring it
B.
down as powerfully as it could bring it up. And Nicole's very interested in this. So I just want to share you the power of that master project and the mathematics of what that can do for you grade-wise. Okay? Again, for the YouTube audience, I want to repeat those deadlines. We had yesterday, I think it was 5, actually for you guys it was last Thursday, was the description. It's due. Okay? That was 25% of your master project grade. Hit that deadline, you have potential to get all that percentage. Due this Thursday, 26th. What's due? You said it was what?
speech.
The speech.
Yeah, that video, a video of your speech. What you're speaking at the COL. The following Thursday, which we said was the 6th. What's due to me?
The actual
The visual aid, right? Whether it's a PowerPoint or it's a poster or it's a CAD software or it's a what are you doing, Frankie? You're doing a website, right?
Oh, yeah.
Whatever that visual aid is when that's due to me on that Thursday. And then that takes us down to the last fourth of the master project, which is on the 7th, which is the COL presentation. All of these are 25% of that master project grade. You hit those deadlines with quality, and that's what you'll get for master project 100%. Okay? Which could really help you potentially, right? In your grade. Are there any questions about that again? So again, I just wanted to share that for the YouTube audience and for you. Thank you to the YouTube audience. Thank you to the Ask Academy. We are the Ask Academy.